Hi, this is Miss Livoti, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create your own reference photo. First, you want to make sure you have original pictures whenever possible and your internet pictures ready to go on your device. Set up a letter size workspace in Medibang Paint. Bringing in separate layers and using the eraser brush to remove parts of your picture so you can see how they interact with each other. Use the transform tool to resize, move, and rotate your images where you want them to go. Do not need to be erased perfectly or arranged perfectly. This is just to give you a general idea of what you want to work with for your final artwork, which will become a drawing, digital painting, or another type of medium. Use this as an opportunity to play around with compositional arrangements, thinking about repetition, progressive rhythm, how something goes from large to small, or changes from one object to another, and how you will incorporate overlapping. Here I'm opening up Medibang Paint and I'm setting up a letter size workspace. I have brought in my background image. I'm not extracting the line art. To bring in an image, you click the plus sign in the layers box and you click select image to add. Don't extract your line art when importing images because you don't want them to become black and white and transparent, and you just simply start combining your imagery. You can use the soft eraser brush tool to remove away extra background areas of your photographs, so that way you can see the other photos coming through and make decisions about how to combine them together. Pretty much just need to repeat this process until you have all of your imagery located in your composition. Once I decided I wanted to do something with fireflies, I decided to switch up the background because the daytime scene wouldn't really work. So I chose a different sky that's more nighttime looking. So I'm going to bring that in. And that's what's so nice about working digitally, is that you can make these adjustments at any time. It's very easy to make changes. You can use layer blending modes or the opacity to make things look like they're syncing in with each other, so you can play around with transparency. And adding in an object like an animal, insect, or flower that can change will show progressive rhythm and add to the surreal quality of your project. So I chose a firefly, so I'm using the transform tool to easily move, rotate, and adjust the scale of the fireflies in my composition. Then I can use the layer duplication mode, where I can just click the double picture icon on the layers box and take the same firefly and then just use the transform tool to move, scale, and rotate it. So I'm just duplicating. It's very easy, and that's going to allow me to play around with the firefly composition. This is what my final digital composition looks like, and this is just a mock-up because I'm going to take this concept and turn it into a digital or traditional drawing or painting.